We're here in Havasu. Where you going? Nobody. Huh. Hi. Hi. We need to stop for a quick siesta and a stretch.
And some water.
And some water.
And a pee.
And a pee. We got about 3 more hours to live in Flagstaff. It's a pretty nice day out. It's not too hot. We were able to find some shade. Just rest in the car for a while.
That was nice.
That was nice. Now we're here. Colorado River's back there. Just hanging out with the old people. We got about 3 more hours till Flagstaff. So we're gonna get back on the road.
And then we're gonna take a nap.
And we're gonna take another nap. We're about 4 hours into our 7-hour drive.
We stopped for breakfast earlier at McDonald's, and we've been snacking ever since, but we're probably gonna find somewhere to eat once we get settled. Or right before we get to the hotel room, depending on how hungry we are.
I'll let them flag us. Or we put it somewhere. Music.
Don't do that, no. Where's my water? I feel like we came very prepared.
Hell yeah.
And still, like some more water?
Yeah.
Water.
I still feel like we came prepared, and still I don't have the snacks that I need. I was not impressed with the snack selection no matter where we went.
Yeah?
I thought the chip selection was going to be better at Target.
I think I want some hot fries.
Oh, yeah. Not even fucking high. It's just bored.
That's not true. We probably are a little high. We've been smoking our pen.
Stizzy. Pineapple Express. Disposable.
Pretty nice. Smooth high. What was I gonna say? I was gonna say we haven't had one of these in a long time, so it's nice to come back to it.
Can't be funking up the rental car, even though we're going to tomorrow.
420 is tomorrow. We're going to the Grand Canyon, which I'm so excited about. We're just gonna be high, staring at the vastness of the Grand Canyon.
The lady at the dispensary said that's what she did. She went when she was a kid, but when she was older, she was high.
Yeah. It's gonna be a lot, I already know.
Mm-hmm.
Now we're gonna go to Sedona probably, Wednesday?
Yeah.
I wanna see all that red rock.
Hell yeah.
I might get some crystals or something.
That'll be fun. Yeah, I was realizing that a lot of Crystal's mom bought us from Sedona.
So then Wednesday, then we should probably get cute before we go.
Sedona?
Yeah.
Okay. No.
Even if we don't do anything super fancy, because I'm being comfortable tomorrow.
Oh, for sure. Cute, comfy, but comfy nonetheless. Actually, I realized I didn't really bring anything for comfort.
No. That's why the black clothes were what I brought for comfort, because I brought multiple pairs of leggings. I brought some sweats besides these ones.
I got 2 pairs of jeans. Well, a pair of the green pants. I could rewear these pants though.
I think I have jeans, and then I did the little onesie thing.
I almost brought my one piece, but I didn't. Because I was like, oh, what if I have to pee?
Did you only bring one pair of shoes?
No, I brought these slides, my red shoes, and the black boots.
Okay,
the ones I just got.
Yeah. I brought the tan boots, and then my sandals, and then my tennis shoes for tomorrow.
Okay, I never taste any of these flavors. The green one's supposed to be strawberry. The red one's supposed to be raspberry. I never taste that. I don't eat the orange ones or the lemon.
I mean, I guess I get it, but
I don't eat the orange ones or the lemon ones. And I fuck up the pineapple ones. The clear ones. Hell yeah.
Oh yeah.
Give me one.
Okay. I am now snagging on hot fries. And I was eating chocolate before this.
Hey, what are you guys' favorite road trip snacks?
We have literally all of them.
I feel like San Fran was good snack preparation.
We had hot onions, which we don't have this time, and we also had peanut M&Ms, which were good. What else do we have? We had
Widow's Kisses.
Mm-hmm.
The cookies and cream kiss things. Well, gave me another one of those.
The hot fries, I don't need them all the time, but
when I do this, not.
for sure.
You have to put these back in.
We forgot a trail mix.
We did forget trail mix. You know what though? I feel like the chips make or break the thing for me right now.
Yeah.
Chip selection, yeah. I was really satisfied with the chip selection we had for San Francisco. And we didn't really have that many snacks the last trip we went on because it was only like 3 hours away or something. 4 hours away.
Oh, so then?
Mm-hmm.
Who didn't have that many? But
We weren't in the car long enough.
we are going to be on our way. And we'll see you guys later.
Hi, we're here.
Yes, it is the next morning. We got here around 5:30 yesterday evening.
Yeah, we knocked out. We got canes and we knocked out.
Yeah, we slept. We didn't even take our clothes upstairs. They're in the car still. We slept all night, which is fine because we needed some sleep. And today we're having breakfast.
Now we're at the Toasted Owl Cafe in Flagstaff.
And then we're gonna go home, get ready. 4:20. We're high already. We're drinking our mimosas. And we're gonna get ready and go to the Grand Canyon.
Hell yeah.
But everything is moving real nice, real slow, real mellow. So we're gonna move real nice, real slow, real mellow.
The fact that we even up before 10 o'clock. We're out the room before 10.
We never wake up this early when we're out.
No.
But we always stay up late. Like that first night, we're always up late.
Because we'd be excited.
San Francisco, and then everyone was hella sleepy the next day.
Hell yeah. But you know what? Like, the drive was long.
It was warm. We went from really hot temperature to cooler temperature. That
It's
throws
about
you off.
57, 58 right down here.
It feels really good though. The sun feels nice and you have clean air. We live in LA. The air's not the same.
What do you guys do for 420? Like, what'd you guys do? Let us know. Like, we'll let you know what we did. Who knows? We'll see if we get Texas.
I'm ready to see the Grand Canyon High. I think that's gonna be
I'm already baked out of my mind. I've decided.
a great experience.
I think it's gonna be fun.
Alright, we will come back to you. I already know she's gonna take a picture of her food, so we'll either come back to you when we're there in the room or a little bit later. We'll see.
Okay, we are here at a stop at the Grand Canyon. Shit is crazy.
paying attention way too hard.
Alright. We are here at the Grand Canyon, driving through the forest, just taking a little scenic route. I'm gonna send this one to the parents.
Okay. How am I doing?
You're doing excellent, sweetheart. She's staying in the lines. She's going about the speed limit. Car's not moving too much. She's natural. She's gonna be Tokyo drifting with me in no time.
Hell no! Wow, you never know. Actually, with me.
So beautiful. So yeah.
We made it to Sedona. It's so freaking pretty. The drive was really, really nice. No traffic. Just cruising into a canyon with all red rock. We decided to drive and do a bunch of roundabouts. So we're on our way back to the populated area so we can find something to eat. And kind of just explore and see where the wind takes us. After Sedona, we're supposed to be going to Cottonwood to do wine tasting. We started early. We've been drinking whiskey since what, like 10 o'clock this morning, 9:30. So I don't know how far we're gonna make it. We definitely need some food. It's windy as a bitch out here.
It is windy out here. It's been full of fun though. It's been cool. The drive was really nice. Super populated with greenery. It was very windy because we were coming from Flagstaff, so everyone knows the road. Well, if you're familiar with the area, you know the road to take to get from Flagstaff to Sedona. It's very wild, one way in, one way out type of situation. But it's super nice. It looks super pretty. It's very gentrified, but it's nice.
Yes,
for
it is
tourists'
nice.
sake.
Definitely expensive. That's why we stayed in Flagstaff and just drove here. But
We had a server tell us that the houses are expensive over here too, but they look very nice.
It's a nice area if you're okay with being in kind of the middle of nowhere, because it really is in the middle of nowhere. It's populated enough, you know, there's enough tourists, people coming in and out. It looks fun, looks super cute, super new, super different. Haven't experienced anything like this before. And we're gonna, you know, be ourselves and eat some food.
Hell yeah!
And hopefully she wants a toe ring, I want a ring, and maybe a poncho, so we'll see what we find today.
We can find something authentic enough.
Very true.
Hence the, gentrification, but there is a very heavy Native American influence here. Very
Definitely.
heavy.
So we will see what we find. We'll come back to you at a later date. Not a later date, a later time. All right. Bye.